Do you want to know how you can log into your ESPN account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your ESPN account. Go ahead and search for ESPN login on your browser. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of ESPN. You can log into your account either via username or your email address. So go ahead and write down your username or email address in the first box and write down your password in the second box. Make sure that your password and your email address or username matches with your ESPN account and go ahead and click login. This way, you can easily log into your ESPN account. If you have problems about logging in and want help, go ahead and click on this link. And if you don't have an account, go ahead and click sign up and create an ESPN account now. I hope this video about how you can log into your ESPN account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.